Shubor nakaslem jong unongsan Hima.
Ka National Helpline for Senior Citizen, lane ka elder line toll-free number, haka khalai tarik unok pra arhajar arpawe. Kalapli Paidbah ya ka helpline, ya ka bala penlong ha conference hall, ka Directorate of Social Welfare Shillong. Haka te kasengi ubak Kyrmen Shylla, ubadai umentri ka Sorkar Jilla, badai kmi ya ka tanat social welfare, ulalong kumukongsan. Haka jingadan lang Usampat Kumar IAS, Udishira Director jangka Social Welfare bat kiwe-kiwe. Haba ajeng keren haka ni kesengi pli, Menteri ulaong, baka ni ka helpline kan pet bat kemi benia, naduk kopor prabaje menstep, haduk prabaje janmit, man la kesengi. Daka papun ha toll free number, iwe sausan henriu nyaw. Kani ka helpline kan Jingïarap na kabentai kitu kibriu, kibalak hamno karta. Ni ki senior citizen, kibala palat henriu post nem shaneng. Kentop ye kilong keme, kibam dan lok bat di kibadunat Kyrmen.
Every time I look back on this road, you'll always be a part of who I am. Everything I can know, every seed of greatness you have sown. Through good and bad, your love has watched.
Free from 8 a.m. to 8 p.m. Helpline for the elderly or senior citizens above 60 years of age who need assistance, be it emergency assistance or non-emergency assistance. The helpline had been initiated and funded by the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, Senior Citizens Division. In this state, the process of setting up the helpline had been initiated, and a tripartite memorandum of understanding between the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, Government of India, the Government of Jingïarap, Social Welfare Department, and base computers had been signed on the 15th January 2021. Operationalization and making the helpline functional had been affected and delayed due to the pandemic and also due to technical difficulties. Finally, after going through many obstacles and hiccups, today we are able to inaugurate the Elder Helpline for the benefits of the senior citizens in the state. Indian society, in particular, the tribal society, has always taken pride in the values of uphold, specifically our values related to the care and treatment of the elderly. Elders have always been treated with genuine respect because of their seniority and also because of their knowledge, wisdom, experience, and the struggle that they have gone through. Our society has now transformed from the joint family structure to the nuclear family structure. We now find that large population of our elderly population are not getting the requisite support, care and treatment they deserve. Therefore, government has come up with numerous scheme programs for the welfare of the senior citizens. In our state, the government has a few programs for the elderly implemented by the Social Welfare Department. Namely, number one, we have granting aid to NGOs working in the field of aged and infirm. Government has been providing funds to an NGO for running one old age home in Shylla. Always been treated with genuine respect because of their seniority and also because of their knowledge, wisdom, experience, and the struggle that they have gone through. Our society has now transformed from the joint family structure to the nuclear family structure. We now find that large population of our elderly population are not getting the requisite support, care and treatment they deserve. Therefore, government has come up with numerous scheme programs for the welfare of the senior citizens. In our state, the government has a few programs for the elderly implemented by the Social Welfare Department. Namely, number one, we have granting aid to NGOs working in the field of aged and infirm. Government has been providing funds to an NGO for running one old age home in Shylla. Number two, we have 2 daycare center for the elderly have been set up in Garo Hills and in East Jingïarap to provide care for the elderly during the daytime when the rest of the family are occupied with their work. Number three, we have the Chief Minister Social Assistance Scheme for the infirm that is above 60 years old at this 500 per month is being given to 63,132 infirm in the state till date. Number four, we have medical treatment of one-time grant for the aged is provided at rupees 2,200 through the office of the district social welfare officers. Number five, we have Rashtriya Vayashri Yojana schemes provide for free assistance device to senior citizens, walking stick, crutches, hearing aids, spectacles, wheelchairs, and dentures. 5 districts, that is East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills, East Khasi Hills, West Garo Hills we have, and then West Khasi Hills, and Ribhoi district, and others we have availed all the schemes. The government is also providing various other schemes or programs for the elderly through the health department, community and CNRD block departments, food and civil supply departments, etc. Realizing the needs of the elderly, the state government will plan to establish old age home in every district of the state in coordination with the NGOs in the next 5 years. I therefore invite viable NGOs to come forward to avail the various schemes available under the Ministry of Social Justice and Empowerment, and the Director of Social Welfare may be contacted for any assistance. The department will also provide adequate budget provision in the next financial year for construction of a permanent old age home at Mount Kasia, so as to cater the need for shelter, food, medical requirement of the elderly having no family support.
So the state government of Meghalaya, if you look at it, is we are following a kind of a saturation approach. The saturation approach means an idea that everyone who is in need should be given the support. Everyone needs. Same is the case I was discussing with Dr. Watt, Meghalaya Health Insurance Scheme. There, it's kind of universal health insurance program. So we will cover all the senior citizens under the health insurance scheme. So today what we are doing is a kind of a helpline. This we have been discussing for the last 1 year, setting up this entire system. I think today it has come to a conclusion. We are going to launch this one. Through this, what is going to happen is that we are going to leverage the technology. Because today, this is the age of technology, and everyone has to leverage and use the technology. And with this one single helpline, in fact, many of the senior citizens, even if they are living in the remotest part of the state, they can access a lot of guidance and service. They have somebody to talk to them. They have somebody to help and facilitate whatever the help that is required for the people. I think this is a very, very important intervention that has come. The way we have for farmers, we have 1917. Now for senior citizens, we have this 4567. It's easy to remember also. Just we need to add one. After that, 4567. I think it's easy to remember. It's a very good initiative. I'm sure the state senior citizens will be benefited, and I also thank our Honorable Minister for taking the initiative and also going to launch this entire intervention.